In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your account for Keybank Online Banking. This process is an essential step to getting started with managing your finances from the comfort of your home. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to key.com. This is the official website for Keybank, so make sure you're at the right place to avoid potential phishing scams and ensure your personal information stays secure. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner where you'll find the sign on option. Click on that and there will be a drop down menu. Here, you should see the enroll option. Click on that to kick off your registration process. Now they'll need some information to verify your identity and link your account. You'll be prompted to enter your social security number. While this might seem a bit daunting, rest assured that Keybank follows strict privacy regulations to keep your data safe. Next, enter either your Keybank account number or your debit card number. Both options will work, so use whichever is more convenient for you at the moment. For the next step, you'll need to provide either your email address or your mobile number. This is crucial as the verification code you'll need to proceed will be sent to the chosen method of communication. Once you provide this information, check your mobile phone or your email inbox for a new message containing that verification code. Make sure to enter it exactly as it appears into the designated field on the website. This step is vital to confirm it's really you setting up the account. Once you've successfully verified your identity with that code, you'll move on to creating your user ID and password. Make sure to choose a user ID that's memorable but also unique to you, and a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Taking the time to create a secure password is important to protect your online banking information. Write your details down and store them in a safe place if you need to, although avoid digital notes unless they're securely encrypted. Once you have your user ID and password all set up, that's it, you're all done. Your Keybank account is now verified for online access, and you can start exploring the various features and tools that the online banking platform offers. From checking your balance to transferring funds or paying bills, managing your finances is now easier and more accessible than ever. Enjoy the convenience of banking at your fingertips, knowing that you've taken the proper steps to secure your online financial activity. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy banking!